YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. In this episode, I will be reviewing something technology-wise plus fitness-wise. So, I saw this on the web and I decided to give it a try. It's called the Stealth Personal, and it's for it's an ab machine with a built-in, I guess, game. And so what you do is it's more like planking while playing a game. Because you know how planking is. Planking is you just do your arms and then you can get bored. But supposedly with the Stealth Personal, you can also plank while playing games, which makes it more interesting. And you'll be able to plank longer and make your core stronger, and it's supposed to help out. So like I said, I'm really into technology, so I thought I'd give this a try. Here we have our knife, and we're gonna cut into the box. There we go. It's a pretty big box, so I'm not sure if my camera can catch all this. So we're just gonna lay the box down. Lay the box down, as you can see, I will be cutting into the box. Sealed up pretty well. So, looks like the device is a lot smaller than the box. And I think they just made the box bigger for extra protection. So, moving that box out of the way. That's the main box. And I believe this thing is upside down. Right side up. So I hit my camera. Okay. Let's remove some more of this protective covering. And there's 3 different types of the Stealth Personal. There's the Personal, and then there's the Pro one. I think it's called the Pro. And then there is a lower model which doesn't have the padding, the whole padding. It only has padding like right here. But I got the Personal one because sometimes I would like padding everywhere. I like to put my arms everywhere for the padding. So let me remove this cardboard right here. And as you can see here, there is it's pretty much a ball. It sits on this stand right here. It's pretty sturdy, pretty heavy too. And this is how it looks. It says do not stand. It is only used for plank exercise only. And this is where you would get the app. And so I would need to download the app. You can get it on the iOS or Google Play Store. Okay, as you can see, I downloaded the app, and now it's giving a couple options. So you have personal log, global leadership, and then also you can shop the Stealth Store, which just basically opens up a website. And I believe you can see, as you can see here, you have the professional, the personal, and then also you have the just the stealth plankster, as you can see here. Like I said, the plastic, and then you can see how it only has a certain amount of cushion. This has the whole thing is a cushion. So as you can see here, we can count. There's two types of workout: countdown workout or endurance workout. Earn points before the timer runs out, and is the countdown. And endurance workouts: earn points, have fun, time counts up. So so we'll just pick the endurance workout. So we start by tapping on the screen. Oh, as you can see here, there's like little suction cups or something right here that makes it sticky for your phone. So it can hold your phone either like this, or you can hold it like this. So you put the phone right here on top. And then we hit start the exercise, and it's counting down. And see, it, you just try to roll and see if you can see what I'm seeing. So see, as you can hear, it's kind of hard. So we're gonna hit play again. And hit play again. See, as you can see, you try to roll while planking. It can't hurt. See? Then you gotta get the balls really fast while planking. It's hard to do with one hand. But see, as you get more points, it helps. It helps with the workout, and it counts up and gives you points and everything. So that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna test it out, see how it works, see if it says what it says it can do. I hope to be able to bring more of these items for you to watch and look at. More workout items with technology. And I hope you enjoyed what you were able to see today. Please leave a comment and please subscribe. As always, have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.